2010 Subaru Legacy sedan. This vehicle features the following equipment: H4 sill, AWD 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-lock brake system brakes, AM/FM radio, air conditioning, anti-whiplash front head restraints, brake assist, bumpers, body color, CD player, driver door bin, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability, front beverage holders, front bucket seats, front center armrest W storage, front reading lights, fully automatic headlights, ignition disable, illuminated entry, low tire pressure warning, MP3 decoder, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger door bin, passenger vanity mirror, power door mirrors, power windows, radio data system, rear bench seats,